Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your WordPress admin bar is cluttered with too many items and you want a cleaner, distraction-free dashboard, this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'll walk you through how to remove unwanted WordPress admin menu bar items in just a few simple steps. No confusion, no coding errors, just a clean workspace that makes your site easier to manage. Let's jump right in. First, head over to your WordPress website and click the login button in the top right corner. If you manage multiple sites or just want a faster, more secure sign-in, choose Continue with Google. It's quick, it's safe, and it automatically connects you to your admin dashboard without extra hassle. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard, the control center for your entire website. From here, click Edit Site under the quick links. This will take you straight into the site editor, where you can modify your header, navigation menu, and other global elements. Inside the site editor, click on the header menu element. This is where you can view and customize all the navigation items visible on your admin bar. You'll notice that each item can be toggled, rearranged, or completely removed, giving you full control over what appears on your dashboard. Now, look at the right-hand panel. This is where the magic happens. Go to the Settings tab and explore the menu, behavior, and appearance options. Here, you can fine-tune how your admin bar behaves, hiding unnecessary links or adjusting its visibility to match your workflow. Scroll down to find the overlay menu section. Set its display behavior to always. This ensures your layout changes stay consistent across your site. Whether you're editing, previewing, or switching between pages, by doing this, your admin bar remains clean, organized, and perfectly optimized for everyday use. And that's it. Your WordPress admin area is now clutter-free and easier to navigate, making your workflow smoother and your site management faster. A cleaner interface doesn't just look better, it helps you stay focused on what truly matters, growing your website. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a WordPress tutorial like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.